Choo-choo World! Fun songs and adventures. Tiny fish swim and swim.
A tiny fish swim and swim.
Swim and swim.
Wiggles his tail, swim and swim.
Swim and swim.
Through the bubbles, round and round, round and round. In the water, safe and sound. Splish and splash, dive so deep, dive so deep. Jump so high, take a leap, take a leap. Under rocks and past the sand, past the sand. Waving fins like little hands. Tiny fish swim and swim, swim and swim. Happy dance, flip and spin.
Flip and spin.
In the ocean, big and wide, big and wide. Riding waves with joy and pride.